Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 225 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the application, tap on the More option to open the menu, scroll down and tap on Garmin devices. Here you should see your Forerunner 225, tap on it to select it. On this page, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device and tap on Remove to confirm. Now we can close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and in Bluetooth settings check if you have the watch right here. If you have it, you can tap on Settings, Forget Device. Like this. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.